So here we have the Nissan Qashqai on a 69 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. As we approach the boot, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. And then these two tray sections will lift and divide to give you even more space should you need it. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle at the bottom, you can see the total miles for this car, which are 14,553. Above that, we have a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change the information that's displayed there by using buttons on the steering wheel for various different menus, as you can see. And if I back out to the steering wheel, the buttons I was using are just here. We have stereo controls surrounding that. On the right hand side of the steering wheel, we have cruise control, which you can set from here. And we've also got phone controls as well. Over in the center, you'll find the touchscreen for the car. So this is where you can go back to your main menu from here. And I say this is all touchscreen. You can access things directly like satellite navigation, which there's a full video on our website and on our YouTube channel that show this working in a bit more detail. When it comes to your audio in this car, we've got AM, FM and DAB radio, CD player, USB input and Bluetooth audio, and an auxiliary input as well. If you plug your smartphone in via its USB, you'll see there we have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto available to you as well. If I pop the car into reverse, you'll see this car has got a 360 parking camera. So reverse camera and a bird's eye view image of exactly where the car is parked right now. And it goes a couple of steps beyond that. If you press the camera button up here, you get a front facing camera and the bird's eye view, or a front facing camera and the front passenger side wheel, which as you can see really helps with lining up with curbs, for example. On top of that, this car has got autonomous parking. So it'll either bay park or parallel park for you, taking full control of the steering to do so. And again, we've got a couple of videos showing how that works that you can find in the same places as well. Working our way down from that, we have the dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the fan speed up and down. You can increase the driver temperature and the passenger temperature independently. That button sends the air conditioning off in this case, or back on again, or you can hit auto. When I do that, the car will take control of the direction of the air and the fan speed to maintain those temperatures for you. You can override that by making any manual adjustment. You'll see auto has now gone off. With a rear heated screen and a proper heated front screen as well. A 12-volt charging socket, electronic handbrake with auto hold function, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, and then driver and passenger heated seats with 2 different heat settings each. The last thing I wanted to talk about is the panoramic glass roof. There's a button up here that will open this sun blind, and you can open that at stages, or you can open it all the way to the back of the rear seat. And as you'll see, fully open, that lets in a huge amount of extra light. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.